Hello everyone, this is Rosina Amolik from Fellowship Mission School. In this video, I'm going to cover a topic that is simple queries, how to perform queries in MySQL. We will see the simple queries first. First is selecting all data. If I want to see my whole table, then the syntax is select star from the name of the table. जो भी table का आपको पूरा data देखना है, so you have to specify name of that table. Here you can see in this query I have given select star from employee. Employee is the name of my table. So here you can see all the datas. Next, selecting particular data. If I want particular columns, I don't want to see the whole table. I want to see particular column of the table. So here if I want to see only ename, then select. You have to, instead of star, you have to specify ename, whatever name of the column. So select ename from employee. You can see only name. One more example, name and gross. So select name, comma, gross. If you want one more column, comma, specify the name of the column from whatever is the name of the table. So here you can see ename and gross. Next is your performing simple calculation. So here if I'm writing select whatever is the calculation, here you can see the output, that is 6 into 6, output is 36. Using column aliases. Aliases means creating alternative name for a particular column. When I've created my table, here I've given name as ename. But in case if I want to change the name of the column for a particular query, then I can use as keyword, and with the help of that I can give alternative name for my column. So here in the output you can see ename column is replaced or renamed with emp underscore name. So this way you can give alternative name to the columns, and this name of the particular column will be only applicable for that query. Condition based on range. Whenever we talk about range, it is from some specific value to some specific value. So here the keyword what we are going to use for the condition based on range is between. So here you can see select star. Star means all the columns from employee where gross is between 500 and 600. इसका मतलब जिनका gross 500 और 600 के बीच में है, both the values are included. 500 भी include हो रहा है, 600 भी include हो रहा है. So जिसका gross इस range के बीच में है, only those I want to see as the output. So here you can see there is only one employee with this gross. So here you can see output of one employee. Next, if I want other than this, so here I'm going to use a keyword not before between. So where gross not between 500 and 600. This means जिसका gross 500 और 600 के बीच में नहीं है, उनका as an output मुझे दिखेगा. So here you can see those value, जिनकी values you can see here, this all values are not between 500 to 600 is shown in the output. So this is called as a condition based on range with keyword between. Next is your condition based on list. List means a particular value. You can say a particular list of values. The keyword we are going to use is in. So here you can see where ename in Ajay, Roshan, Anu. इसका मतलब I will be only able to see जिसका नाम अजय है, रोशन है, अनु है. See your output Ajay, Roshan, Anu. If other than these three names I want to see the record, so simple I'm going to put here not. यहाँ पे सिर्फ इन था, यहाँ पे आएगा नॉट इन अजय, रोशन एंड अनु. इट मीन्स अदर देन अजय, रोशन एंड अनु ऑल द नेम्स विल बी displayed. So this is called as condition based on list with keyword in. Condition based on pattern matching. Whenever it comes to pattern matching, there are two wild characters. First is percentage. Percentage replaces multiple characters. एक से ज़्यादा character this character will replace. Here is the query. Select star from employee where ename like. Now whenever you're using pattern matching, you're going to use keyword like. It is character. So here I'm like enclosing it in single quotes. So A%. A% means what? The starting letter should be A and rest of the letter can be anything, whether it is 3-letter word, 4-letter word. The criteria is the ename should start with A. So here you can see starting with A, Ajay, Anu, Anushka. So this is your percentage wild character. One more example. I'm going to write ename like %y. इसका मतलब है the last letter of the word should be Y. Rest here whatever words are there that is acceptable. So here in the out last letter जिसका Y से end हो रहा है that is your Ajay. So that is the output. This is about percentage. Percentage replaces multiple character. Second is underscore. Underscore replaces single character. If I want to replace only one character, a single underscore will replace a single character. If you are giving two underscore, then it will replace two characters only. Select star from employee where e name like a n underscore. इसका मतलब the initial letter should be a n and there should be only one letter more. So here in the output you can see a n u. So here one underscore will replace only one letter. Next, here I am giving 3 underscore and ending is Y. So here the name should have 4 characters in it and it should end with Y. So आगे के 3 characters कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. So according to our data, the output is Ajay. So this was about your condition based on pattern matching. For this, we are going to use keyword like. Next is searching for null values. As I said, null means the value which is empty, the value which is unknown with the user, that is called as null. Now, if I want to find my null values, then the keyword I'm going to use is null for finding null, is not null for finding non-null value. So here you can see, select star from employee where grade is null. You are not going to write equals to null. The query is null. जिसका grade null है मुझे सिर्फ उनका ही data देखना है. So here there is only one value which is having grade as null. So that will be the output. Second is not null. Is not null means what? जिनका grade null नहीं है. Where grade is not null. जिनका grade null नहीं है, all the values will be displayed. Here you can see the grades are specified. So here is how to search for null values and non-null values. So here we end with this topic. Hope so this video is useful for you in your studies. Thank you.